Good evening, guys. So I get a lot of people asking me how I set up my raid, my little shout outs, my URL. That way it'll click to said raider and a little clip of what they play. There's so many little tutorials here on YouTube, but they break it down in like 30 minutes. Like you don't need that. You could literally set this up in like 3 or 4 minutes. It takes no time whatsoever. I have extra stuff in there, which I won't even show you, but I can get this broke down for you super duper quick. Okay. So basically what you're going to do, let's start off on channel. You'll go hit your Hamburger, and then you go over here and go down to your events. Click Twitch. We have all kinds of options here. Basically, you just need to go over to Twitch channel rated, hit your little edit icon, click that. Now, see, again, like I said, I have extra things here. Don't worry about that. That's for a later video, I'm sure. But you'll want to go down to your action, go down, and you're going to go to the very top, and it's going to have chat message. Click that, hit your little plus sign, adds it right here. Okay? Then after you've done that, click it, send as streamer. Then after that, put your little spiel here. Put your little spiel. And after you set a little spiel, put at $, latest raid username. And then put another little spiel if you'd like. And then check them over at $, latest raid user URL. And was recently playing $, latest raid user stream game exclamation point. What that's going to do is give a little hi to the person. It's also going to state their Twitch channel, so that way any of your people in there can just click it and go straight to it and give them a follow. And then after that, it's going to state what game they were playing. That way it kind of gives a full breakdown if they'd be interested in the first place, right? Then after that, I put a wait in here. This is not necessary. I put a wait in there so that way I can tell all the raiders if they've come in, hit refresh, because BPB needs Kool-Aid and ramen, always. So I put a little spiel in there to, wait 3 seconds, refresh it, and it puts another chat message basically saying to refresh. But you don't need all that. So after you've done that, go down to wait. You'll click in your actions, click wait, add wait, and then depending on how much you end up talking, I run my mouth a lot. I put about 10 seconds on there. So put a wait on there about 10 seconds. That way the clip doesn't automatically start going as soon as the person comes in. Put a wait on there, whatever you feel is necessary. Could be 5 seconds. Put a wait in there about 5 or 10 seconds. Then after you've done that, go down to action again, and you're going to look for overlay and images. Overlay and images. Click that. Hit the plus sign. After you've done that, go to your action. Look for Twitch clip. Click that. Puts that in. Duration, 15 seconds. Clips usually, 5-10 seconds? Put 15 just to be fair, just in case I've got a longer clip. My clips it doesn't matter. About 15 seconds. Then after that, go down to details, and you're going to want to click type. You're going to want to put in random clip. After you've done that, over at the username, very important as well, $, latest raid username. Put that in. Put your width and your height for the pixels that you feel are appropriate and would look good on screen. Hit your volume about 50%. That way you're not yelling over the clip in the first place. And then after that, click your position. You can set it to whatever you like. I do it with percentage. It works out pretty good for me. You can put it simple, where it gives you radiuses where it would be. Then I got my position at X75, Y25. And that'll give you a nice little setting right above your head, and not to take up too much screen, but good enough for the people to see it. Because what if this person they're really interested in? Always help out your raiders. They're helping you out. Always help out your raiders. Then after you've done that, hit save, lock that down. And then after you've done that, you can hit play as many times as you want to make sure that you've got it right. But this is give you a quick idea of what mine looks like, just to kind of give you an idea. So go over to Twitch and hit play, hit test command. Got my the strangers in here. And then afterwards, you can see over here, it's got your little hellos, got your Twitch link, tells the person. and then the game. And then about 10 seconds later, you look above me, you've got your Twitch clip. That's it. Literally nothing. This video's taken me a little over 5 minutes, and that's me running my mouth. Down below is going to be a step-by-step process, so that way you can do it on your own, in case the video is not good enough for you. Step-by-step process. So simple, so easy. Doesn't take 25, 30 minutes. Anyway, guys, give me a like, subscribe, all that stuff, all the YouTube stuff. Do all that down below. I'm a funny guy. Man, trust. Come by. Twitch. Fun things. All kinds of stuff. Come see me. Take care. I love you. Peace and bacon grease.